Hi, I'm Guido from Wacom, and this is another video showing what you can do with the new Wacom Notes application in combination with Semantic ink and handwriting. So let's open Wacom Notes. So in the last session I have already explained how Semantic ink works with the Pythagorean theorem, but there's also more. For example, here in this note I have written down two sentences about one town in England, which is about London as the capital town of the United Kingdom. And let's see what Semantic ink finds on these words. And here it comes up with a couple of different words which it can be related to content on the internet. England, London and the United Kingdom. And each of them are linked to a certain entry on the internet. United Kingdom, England and London. So quite useful if you write down notes and you need some, I would say, background information on certain topics. You can ask Semantic ink to support you in here. However, there's more. For example, if you want to convert your handwritten notes into editable text, you can use the handwriting recognition feature in here, which is behind this icon. If I click on that one, it says, okay, I've recognized text, I've recognized English as a language, and here is basically the recognized text, and now I can export this one into a text file, which I can then import to Word or any other Office document to work in a non-handwriting context. Very useful if you easily want to turn your handwriting into editable text to be used in Word or other Office applications. Thanks for watching and take care.